What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now, hi. In today's video, Miss Girl, it is time for some nourishment. It's time for our skin to dive into a brand new launch for Jeffree Star Skin. Now, I'm really excited because we launched last year in November and the skincare line has been doing so incredible. And we got to do an extension with the limited edition Banana Fetish Rendezvous earlier this year. But it's time for some more staple products. And as I'm looking at this desk, I created these about a year ago. And I know that a lot of people have done lavender. Lavender has been through the ringer, Miss Girl. Every brand has done a lavender moment. But with Jeffree Star Skin, I wanted to make something new, a new fragrance, a new elixir, a new aroma, if you will. And oh my God, today we're unveiling the Jeffree Star Skin Lavender Lemonade Collection. Okay, now I have been such a skincare junkie for so long, so when I got to finally launch my products after a very long delay, it felt amazing. So you're gonna see a lot of expansion on Jeffree Star Skin for the rest of the year and of course the years to come. There is so many amazing formulas and things that I've been working on for years, and I'm so excited to release them in different collections, different moments. You know, for me and always with my brand, I love to really give you like a moment. Not just here's this, like I want it to mean something, I want it to be special. So with this collection, I was very inspired by the calmness that I've experienced over the last year, the real tranquility of self-relaxation and really working on like revitalizing yourself. I think sometimes we wear ourselves so thin, we forget to just stop, sit back, take a moment. Like if you're watching this, think about when was the last time I took a bath? And when I asked myself that, it had been over a year, I'm like, well, I have a bathtub, why don't I ever get in it? Too busy, you're too this, you're too that, there's too much going on. So this collection is about recentering your core, reminding yourself who you are, and at the end of the day, relaxation, sleep, and of course, lavender is such a very calming, beautiful scent. We love it, but I wanted to infuse it with a little more Jeffree magic. So I created the Lavender Lemonade Elixir. It is so delicious. I wish that you could smell everything through the phone or the screen right now. And hello, for the first time ever, we have a candle. And Miss Girl, this of course is one of many coming out in the future, but for this collection, this is about being in the bath, being in bed, and just relaxing. So you'll see today there's a small array, nothing too overwhelming, but a really cool, amazing collection to get your skin right and your mood right. So let's dive in. Hi. The first product is in this box. It is called the Jeffree Star Skin Lavender Lemonade Tranquility Mask. I know that's a mouthful. Now, in this box, we're gonna open it right now, is such an amazing face mask. Now, when we launched the brand, so many people are like, Jeffree, where's the mask? You're such a mask whore over the last decade, right? And you're right. So this is gonna be one of many, but when you open it up, voila! It comes in this beautiful component, which is very reminiscent of our makeup removing balm, of course, but it's in a new color, and of course there's a new formula inside here. So if you have never seen this component before, this is magnetic, it comes off. It is for sanitization when you are scooping out the product. Now, of course, you can use it the star way, it looks aesthetically pleasing, or you can use the real spatula side and scoop right in. With everything today you're about to see, it will all have this new logo, and of course this is just for this limited edition collection, the lemonade with the lavender, of course. Let's see what's inside here. I'm sure you can imagine the formula, Miss Girl, is very lavender. I'm just gonna take a huge scoop out, and this is what it looks like. Now, we're about to show you some footage right here. Here is Miss Madison. Yes, Miss Girl, she's gonna be applying this face mask. Now, this is amazing. Now, as you see the texture glide onto her skin, you really just wanna kinda put it on. This is really gonna calm and rejuvenate you, okay? So what is in this formula? Look at Madison, she's so cute. So there is real lavender lemonade extract in here. There is shea butter, which is gonna be for anti-inflammatory benefits. It's gonna soften your skin. We have ingredients here that are gonna detox and really renew, give your skin that boost. This is going to really just help you relax and really rejuvenate your skin. Give it a moment of just self-care. All right, now in this jar, you're getting 3 ounces of product. I love the texture of this. It's amazing. And as you saw it go on Madison's skin, you want it to just sit there, have its moment, and it will seep in. You can also apply a thin layer right before bed, of course, which is my favorite thing to do. Let it just seep in. After 15 minutes, if it has not soaked all the way in, sometimes I'll get paper towel and I'll just lightly take it off, but really take a washcloth, take warm water, and it will come right off and your skin will feel immaculate after. All right, the next product is BAM! Okay, now our lip masks have been getting so many rave reviews. I wanna keep making different flavors because you guys are living for them. So thank you so much for the feedback. I love this formula. I literally have the strawberry, the banana, and now Miss Lavender Lemonade, the Revive and Repair Lip Mask. And of course, the same amazing formula, but a new delicious, I always say flavor, scent, aroma, if you will. Now, if you've never tried this lip mask, it is amazing. We're gonna insert a little clip right here. Maddie's putting it on. It's one of my favorite formulas. As someone who is such a lip product addict and someone who loves liquid lips, and sometimes formulas can be more drying, I wanted to make a lip mask that you can just have in your bag anywhere you want, bam, bam, and you're like, oh, it actually works and it looks beautiful. It just makes your lips very juicy looking, and I love this. It's packed full of active ingredients, and now it's in a new color. Okay, now this product I have been so excited to launch because it is just so fun and such a staple if you're a bath relaxation type of person. BAM! Hello, yes, these are Jeffree Star Skin bath salts. Now, these are amazing, you guys. First of all, the packaging, hello, how are ya? It comes with its own scooper, so you can just bam, 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 right in the tub. The top, of course, the seal is a cork. And Miss Girl, the formula is everything. Let's pour some out in my hand. Yes, these are real lavender pieces, and of course, the bath salt formula. It is absolutely amazing. Everything just smells so delicious in this entire room right now. Now, yes, this spoon is wooden and this packaging is plastic. I did not want to do glass because glass around a bathtub, I don't know about you, but I have broken and spilled so many things around the tub. There's water involved. And hello, sometimes you just cause an accident. So I didn't want glass to be around the bathtub. So this is very sturdy plastic. Hello, ASMR. So obviously you guys know what bath salts do. You put them in your tub, you lay back, you relax. This is gonna make your skin just feel really nourishing. And I love breathing in the elixir of lavender lemonade. It really like opens up your sinuses. And no, I'm not giving a medical claim. I'm just letting you know that when I'm in the tub, I get a really nice sense and my sinuses are open and I feel very relaxed. Okay, so your bath is on, you're laying in the tub, you're about to get in, and Miss Girl, hi, it's time for your Jeffree Star Skin candle. Now, come take a journey. Can you imagine I did the whole voice, the whole video with that voice? Okay, now come inside the journey of the Lavender Lemonade. Okay, you guys, so listen, I love candles. I'm obsessed with candles. I've been a candle whore for a long time, so it's time for this brand to start putting some out in this thing. So I thought, what better way with skincare? We're in the mood, we're just chilling, and bam, you're lighting your candle. Now, yes, this is glass, this is a wood top, this is a soy blend coconut candle. It smells absolutely delicious. The wax for this one is white. Oh my God, I did that. It smells so good. I love this. Let's just light it right now. Hello, bam, there it is. Now, when I'm doing my skincare, I love just to really just have alone time. I love candles, and if you know your routine, you don't need bright lights to see yourself, bitch, you know your face. And this candle's awesome. Now, this will be retailing for $25. It is 7.5 ounces in here, and it's a bomb ass candle. I'm really, really excited and I cannot wait for plenty more scents to come. But of course, this is the packaging that it comes in. I love how it turned out. Aesthetically, I'm just so in a lavender mood right now. Okay, so your candle's on, your bath is on, your bath salts are on, you're laying back. Maybe you're having a threesome, maybe not. And now it's time for the Lavender Lemonade Sleep Mist. Sorry, shh. Yes, this is the Lavender Lemonade Sleep Mist. Now, I am a face mist junkie. We put out so many so far. Thank you guys for the feedback. I love it. These actually work. They're amazing. And so many of you have been requesting travel skincare. I'm working on it. Absolutely working on it. Okay, so Here's the packaging. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now, what is this gonna do? How is it different than the other formula? Now, this is all about unwinding and relaxing, and this formula is very similar to our strawberry one from the first launch. This is all about giving you an even skin tone. It's gonna increase your elasticity, and we're gonna reduce wrinkles over time. It of course has our lavender lemonade extract inside. It is so beautiful, and I love a face mist. Mist thing? Okay, now this is a brand new bottle. There we go. If you've never seen one of my mists, let me just spray it for you. Oh, it's so good. Sorry, the air conditioning's on above me, but I am obsessed. Now, this formula is amazing for any skin type. If you've never tried one of mine before, this one is maybe my favorite. We do have some more coming in the future, but this one is absolutely amazing. Okay, so for the skincare portion of the video, those are the products. I wanted to start doing more contained launches. I know in the past I used to do